Have you ever woken up feeling like your legs don't belong to you? Heaviness? Numbness? Weakness. It might feel common after 60, but these are signals that shouldn't be ignored. Our legs are the first to suffer from vitamin deficiencies. Daily strain, impaired circulation, age. Any imbalance shows up in the legs right away. Cramps, tingling, swelling, knee pain, evening fatigue. These aren't just old age, they're warnings. Sometimes the last before a serious issue. We get used to tolerating it. Think everyone has it, but your legs can feel light, strong, warm even at 60, 70, or 80. The solution often isn't in ointments or injections, it's in what we've been missing for years. Vitamins that build vessels, nerves, muscles. Lack of B vitamins may cause tingling. Vitamin D deficiency, dull leg, and joint pain. Magnesium shortage, night cramps. The danger is we don't link symptoms to nutrition. We blame age or weather, but it's really about biochemistry. Today we'll talk about 10 vitamins that can transform the condition of your legs, gently, gradually, but reliably. This won't be about pills. We'll show how to get these vitamins from food, supplements, sunlight, and habits, all without extremes. You'll learn exactly what affects muscle strength, blood flow, foot warmth, toe sensitivity, and knee stability. We won't scare you or sell magic cures. Just science-backed facts and simple advice. Our legs aren't a small thing. They mean freedom, independence, movement, strength, and quality of life. Imagine waking up without pain, walking without fatigue, no fear of stairs. It's real, and it starts with nutrition. This path doesn't take much time. You can start today with one step, one habit. Imagine waking up without pain, walking without fatigue, no longer fearing stairs. It's possible, and it all begins with the right approach to your health. If you want more simple but powerful advice like this, hit subscribe. One click that could truly change your life. And leave a like. So we know this topic matters to you. It motivates us to create even more valuable content. And in the comments, tell us, what leg issue bothers you most? Pain? Cramps? Fatigue? We read every message. The first vitamin we'll begin with is vitamin D. It's often called the mobility vitamin, and that's no coincidence. It helps preserve leg strength, joint flexibility, and confidence in every step. As we age, our body produces less vitamin D even with plenty of sunlight. Muscles become weaker, movements more cautious, and legs feel tired even after a short walk. This vitamin supports muscle strength and ensures the nerves properly carry signals from the brain to the legs. Without enough of it, you may feel twitches, cramps, and fatigue. When vitamin D levels drop below normal, legs feel heavy, climbing stairs brings shortness of breath, and getting up in the morning becomes a challenge. It's easy to blame age, but often the real reason is a vitamin deficiency that can be gently corrected, leading to improvements in posture, stride, and daily energy. Vitamin D also helps your body absorb calcium, which keeps bones strong. Without it, bones become fragile, and the risk of cracks or fractures rises. This explains why many people over 60 feel pain in their knees or hips, even without heavy activity. Bones and joints simply need extra support. In youth, we got our vitamin D from sunlight, but with age, our skin loses the ability to produce enough. That's when other sources become more important. Fatty fish, eggs, cod liver, and certain mushrooms are natural sources, and including them in your diet a few times a week can make a real difference. If your meals don't cover it, supplements can help. Many people over 60 take small daily doses and feel stronger in their legs within weeks. To help your body absorb vitamin D effectively, take it with food, especially meals that include healthy fats. Bringing confidence back to your legs starts with one simple step. Check your vitamin D, add some sunshine and care, and your body will soon respond with lightness. The next vitamin to pay attention to is B12. It's less famous than D or C, but it plays a crucial role in how confidently we stand on our feet. When B12 levels drop, the body sends signals, tingling in the feet, numb toes, or a strange feeling of disconnection in your steps. B12 nourishes the nervous system. Without enough of it, nerve signals slow down, leading to hesitation and uncertainty in movement. B12 deficiency is often the hidden cause behind unsteady walking, swaying, or even balance issues. It sneaks in quietly. When there's enough B12, the body responds faster, better balance, quicker reactions, and faster recovery from fatigue. B12 also helps make red blood cells that carry oxygen. And the more oxygen you have, the more strength your legs can feel. Pay special attention to B12 if you rarely eat meat, eggs, or dairy, or if you take medications for stomach acid reduction. Pay special attention to B12 if you rarely eat meat, eggs, or dairy, or if you take medications for stomach acid reduction. As we age, our body absorbs less B12 from food, so even a good diet may not be enough anymore. If you're feeling unexplained leg weakness, tingling, or fatigue, it's worth checking your B12 levels. You can boost B12 through food, like liver, fish, eggs, or supplements, especially sublingual or injectable forms, which absorb better. After a few weeks of restoring B12, many notice their legs feel more stable and their steps become more assured. Sometimes this one vitamin is what makes you feel like you've returned to your body, like it's working with you again, not against you. The third key vitamin for your leg health is vitamin C. It's often linked to immunity, but few realize how vital it is for blood vessels and joints. Vitamin C helps produce collagen, the protein that builds ligaments, tendons, and capillaries. These structures keep your legs toned, flexible, and resilient. Without enough vitamin C, ligaments weaken, capillaries become fragile, and your legs tire more easily. Subtle signs of deficiency include unexplained bruises on your legs, slow healing of scratches, and a sense of heaviness or numbness. Vitamin C also supports veins. That's why it's crucial for varicose veins, swelling, and the feeling of heavy legs after walking. It's also a powerful antioxidant that protects tissues from aging and where especially important after age 50. Legs that get enough vitamin C handle exertion better, don't ache at night, and stay light even in hot weather. Top sources: bell pepper, broccoli, parsley, kiwi, rose hips, and citrus fruits. Include at least one daily in your diet. Interestingly, chronic stress depletes vitamin C faster, and stress often triggers circulation issues and spasms in the legs. After 60, the body may not absorb enough from food alone. A small supplement dose, no more than 250 to 500 milligrams daily, can help. After a few weeks of steady vitamin C intake, many notice their legs look more alive, swelling decreases, and movement feels easier. It's one of the simplest ways to care for your legs daily through herbs in salad, a slice of lemon in water, or a bowl of veggie stew. The fourth vitamin on our list is vitamin E. Often called the vitamin of youth, it truly helps keep your legs young, both inside and out. Vitamin E protects blood vessels from aging. It keeps artery and vein walls elastic, prevents fragility, and reduces clot risk. Cold feet or pale toes may be signs of vitamin E deficiency and poor microcirculation. Vitamin E also supports skin health. When deficient, foot skin becomes dry, flaky, and prone to heel cracks. It also reduces the risk of calf cramps, especially at night, important for those who wake up with pain or spasms. Interestingly, vitamin E supports cellular energy, which reduces the heaviness often felt in legs. Top sources include unrefined oils, especially sunflower and olive, seeds, nuts, avocado, and spinach. A handful of nuts or a spoon of oil in your salad provides a full daily dose. Remember, fat-soluble vitamins need fat to absorb. After 60, vitamin E absorption slows down. That's why steady daily intake in small amounts is essential. Another benefit: it eases joint inflammation. If your knees or shins ache after a walk, vitamin E may help. Regular intake reduces leg wear and tear, whether you stand long hours, move a lot, or sit too much. It's a quiet health ally. You don't see it, but when it's there, your legs work smoothly, confidently, and with less strain. The fifth vitamin on our list is vitamin B6. It's involved in over 100 bodily processes, but for legs after 60, it's absolutely essential. Its main role is supporting the nervous system. Nerves control muscle movement, balance, pain, and temperature response. A lack of vitamin B6 causes tingling, numbness, or pins and needles in the legs, signs of impaired nerve signaling. It's most noticeable at night, waking up from strange sensations, restlessness, or twitching in the legs. B6 regulates homocysteine, a compound that damages blood vessels. Too much of it causes leg fatigue and stiffness. If even short walks cause calf pain or tightness, it may not just be vascular, but a B6 deficiency. Another benefit, B6 supports serotonin production, which improves mood, sleep, and stress resilience. Better sleep means better muscle recovery. Less anxiety means fewer spasms. Everything is interconnected. Sources: chicken, turkey, bananas, spinach, chickpeas, eggs. Fresh is best heat, destroys B6. After 60, absorption weakens. Supplements or fortified foods may be needed, especially those for nerve health. Important: B6 works best with B12 and folic acid. Together, they form a trio that strengthens nerves and vessels. With B6, you're not just easing symptoms, you're preventing deeper issues that become more likely with age. The sixth vitamin is vitamin C. It's well known for immunity, but for legs after 60, it's a real youth elixir. Vitamin C strengthens capillaries, the tiny blood vessels that feed leg tissues. They're the first to suffer from age, sugar, and high pressure. When capillaries weaken, legs recover poorly. Swelling, heaviness, and bruising from even light bumps become common. Vitamin C is vital for collagen synthesis, and collagen means strong blood vessels, ligaments, skin, and joints. Collagen isn't just about wrinkles, it's about legs staying firm, joints flexible, and skin resilient. Another function, fighting free radicals molecules that damage blood vessels and accelerate aging. Frequent cramps or spasms? Think vitamin C. It helps muscles function smoothly. Sources: bell peppers, broccoli, kiwi, citrus fruits, rose hips, cabbage. Best raw or lightly cooked. Remember, the body doesn't store vitamin C. You need to get some daily, even just a little. Absorption drops with age, so spread intake throughout the day, fruits in the morning, greens at lunch. Vitamin C also aids iron absorption, and iron means energy, endurance, and mobility. Want your legs to stay strong and walks to feel light? Keep vitamin C on your plate daily. The seventh on our list is vitamin E, often called the youth vitamin, but for legs, it's also the vitamin of smoothness, elasticity, and healthy circulation. Vitamin E protects vessel walls from oxidation. That means fewer plaques, lower blockage risk, better muscle nourishment. When vessels are clear, legs don't go numb, cold, or tired so easily. You feel the freedom of blood flow. Vitamin E also helps tissues recover after strain. If you've walked a lot or climbed stairs, it helps muscles let go sooner. Thanks to E, the skin on your legs stays supple longer, less cracking on the heels, and less dryness overall. If you notice goosebumps or unexplained itching, check your vitamin E levels. Natural sources: almonds, sunflower seeds, avocado, spinach, wheat germ oil. Eat these foods raw or lightly heated. Frying destroys vitamin E. Combine it with fat for best absorption, a spoon of oil, avocado, or some nuts. Brittle capillaries, easy bruising, dry skin. These might all point to a lack of vitamin E. E also supports the nerves. Legs become more responsive to movement. Balance improves, coordination becomes sharper. Vitamin E is like oil in a machine. It doesn't fix things overnight, but with it, everything runs smoother, softer, and longer. Vitamin K is often linked with blood, but for legs, it plays a bigger role, strengthening vessels, keeping bones strong, and preventing bruises. K helps calcium get where it's needed, into bones, not arteries. This reduces calcification risk and keeps arteries flexible. With low K, legs tire quickly, feel heavy, and muscles fatigue even with small effort. K also regulates blood clotting. This lowers the risk of microclots that can affect leg circulation. As we age, bones thin and vessels weaken. Vitamin K supports the balance between these systems. Sources of K: broccoli, Brussels sprouts, leafy greens, parsley, sauerkraut, spinach. This vitamin is especially vital for women over 50. It reduces the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. K works best with vitamin D. One strengthens bones, the other guides calcium where it belongs. If legs swell without cause, think of K. It supports venous return and reduces stagnation. If you bruise easily even from a light bump, K levels may be too low. To boost intake, add greens to daily meals, salads, soups, or omelets. Vitamin K is quiet support for your legs. Without it, they tire faster, break more easily, and recover more slowly. Now you know. Leg health isn't just about creams, massages, or orthopedic shoes. It's about daily support from within. These 10 vitamins aren't just a list, they're a direction you can move in, calmly and confidently. Pick 1 or 2 vitamins today. Start small, 1 dish, 1 snack, 1 new habit. Over time, your legs will thank you. Less fatigue, more lightness, more life. If you found this helpful, clear, and inspiring, subscribe to our channel. We make these videos for those who want to take care of themselves without fear, with compassion. Give us a like, it lets us know we're on the right path. And for you, it means more valuable content is on the way. And tell us in the comments, which vitamin surprised you the most? Or maybe which one have you already added to your routine?